I'm going to encourage you, and I've done a video about this before. I know this year I'm probably going to do a video on decluttering and grief every month because it's something my grief is in a much better place, but I think that's important. So if I do a topic more than once, it's because I've had something happen and I think that it's worth it to explore. So today I'm going to talk about get upset about what matters. I'm really amazed at the time and energy that people put into stuff that really doesn't matter. I get frustrated when I live in America at our country and say, get all upset about this crazy stuff. What about the poverty? What about the educational system that needs a rehaul? Their hunger, right? To me, those are big issues and get angry and get upset about that. So I encourage you, right? I always talk about awareness plus action equals change. So what is the stuff that offends you? And I'll share something that happened to me recently. I have a coach, checked in with her, and she's like, absolutely block this person. So this person keeps hijacking my content. It was really frustrating. And so I found that if people have a lot of viewers and you don't have as many on different platforms, it varies. But on Instagram, I don't have a ton of people that follow me. And so they hijack my content. And so she finally was like, block her, because it was driving me insane, right? I was spending all this energy on time because what does it matter? I can only control so much. YouTube needs to bring back the block version too. And so does it matter in my life? Really not. It's not like she's the first, not like she'll be the last. But I know I was spending way too much time getting bent out of shape on this. So I had to take steps. And I'm telling you, once I blocked her, it just makes, I don't have to see it. I don't have to know what's going on. If you've listened to videos, I would talk, the universe kept telling me, and it's interesting looking after talking to my coach, like, okay, you need to do something about this, because it kept showing up in my feed. And I'd be like, okay, try to get all zen, but I couldn't get all zen. So just a little story of put your focus and intention on stuff that's matter. So for me, I'm creating an Etsy store, if I'm saying that correctly, right? So instead of spinning my wheels over here and being like, oh, this person's doing all this, how can I create, right? Because that's what gets me excited. It gets me excited to create things that help people declutter. So just be aware, are you spending your time and getting angry and bent out of shape on stuff that doesn't matter? When you clear your clutter, you can create the life and space you choose, deserve, and desire. Know that you can subscribe to my channel and find out more about me at reawakenyourbrilliance.com.